Hello, we'd like to look at a few questions. Even though this is pre-calculus materials, but it actually comes from Algebra 2 and Trig. So let us try to look at them together, see how it goes. We have to use the quadratic formula. Just to remind ourselves, it was x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Divide the entire thing by 2a. That was the quadratic formula. Now then here we have a will be equal to 2 and b equals 1 and c has to be equal to negative 1. When you plug them in, we get negative 1 or plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is equal to negative 1. Entire thing divided by 2 times a, which is equal to 2. Now, once we simplify that, negative 1 plus or minus square root of this becomes 1, while this becomes addition. Hence, it becomes 8. So total it becomes 9 over 4. So therefore, one of our answers is negative 1 plus 3. So it becomes 2 over 4. Or second answer is negative 1 minus 3. So we end up getting negative 4 divided by 4 becomes negative 1. So our answer must be 1/2 or negative 1. Let's look into the next question. Same here. In this case, a will be equal to negative 1 because that's the coefficient of x squared. Now, second, b is equal to 2 and c is also equal to 2. Then here what do we end up getting? X must be equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is equal to negative 1, and c, which is equal to 2. Now divide the entire thing by 2 times a, which is equal to negative 1. Once we simplify this, we end up getting this is 4. Negative negative becomes positive and becomes 8. So 4 plus 8 becomes 12 divided by negative 2. Now, then what's going to be happening is these negatives, we can multiply top and bottom by negative 1. So therefore this becomes positive, while this becomes opposite, negative positive. It doesn't make any difference anyway, but let us try to simplify all these things and then rewrite them one more time. So 2 minus plus, because we switch the sign, and then if you have to simplify this one, you get 2 radical 3 divided by 2. 2 is common in all of them, so we can say 1 plus or minus plus, it doesn't really matter, radical 3 over 1, which is 1 plus or minus radical 3. That becomes our final answer. Alright, let's look at number 35. Here we have a is equal to 1, and b is equal to 8, and c is equal to negative 4. And here x must be equal to negative 8 plus or minus 8 squared minus 4, a, which is equal to 1, c is equal to negative 4. Divide whole thing by 2 times a, which is equal to 1. Now that becomes negative 8 plus or minus square root of 8 squared becomes 64. And this becomes addition, 64 adding 16, which we end up getting 80 divided by 2. Now, if you have to simplify this one further, we get negative 8 plus or minus, this becomes 4 square root of 5 and 2. So once you divide by 2 on all three, then we get negative 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 5. That becomes our final answer. And that's it. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.